What's up everybody, Evan, nutrition coach at 4JRX, and I wanted to talk real quick about meal prepping and what that should look like for you. I mean, we get a lot of questions about that, but before I get going, after this video, head over to Take Control Radio on social media or your favorite podcast app and listen to episode 7 as myself, Marianne, and Megan dive a little bit deeper into this topic. But meal prep, it doesn't have to be extravagant. Literally find what works for you. What meal do you struggle with the most, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and just make that for the week. If it's breakfast, maybe it's making breakfast the night before so you can pull it out of the microwave, or it's ripping up a meal replacement shake in the morning on the way out to work. If it's lunch, cook lunch for the week, put it in Tupperware. You can pull it out and heat it up at work. If it's dinner, cook some protein and vegetables so that way when you get home from work, instead of raiding the pantry, you just pull it out, heat it up, cook a carbohydrate with it, whether it's more vegetables or you have a rice cooker, and there you go. So instead of worrying about what it should look like or how extravagant it should be or what you hear people do, find what works for you. Usually the best you can do is whatever meal you struggle with the most, just make that meal for the week. So I hope that helps, and talk to you soon.